everybody, I'm Chad with Mastercam. We're here in the Applications Lab today, testing some new cutters from Harvey and Helical about dynamic roughing aluminum. We're here with this nice half-inch cutter inside of a hydraulic chuck, and we roughed the whole entire layer off this part in under a minute. So this cutter is pretty awesome.
One of the nice things we like doing with partners like Mastercam is being able to get out here into these kind of shops and really see how these tools work outside of a perfect environment. And we're able to really push the limits on these tools high and low and see how they're going to perform out there before they're released.
We're excited to be partnering with Mastercam on testing some of our new products that we'll be launching in our spring catalogs. We have 11 new product tables and a bunch of new expansion products.
Our relationship with Mastercam has grown a lot over the last year. On the marketing side, working with them very closely to integrate tool libraries, incorporating our tool models into Mastercam software for easier programming, ease of use for their end users. They can just pick a tool out of the library, pop it right into their software, no need to model anything.
The more we can have these guys in the building with us, the better. We can test all this stuff out and make sure it's smooth for our Mastercam users.
We really find this relationship between Harvey Performance and Mastercam to be very powerful for us. You know, it really gives us a collaborative effort, makes and strengthens our view of the programming side of our tooling. And I think on the other hand, it helps Mastercam really understand the newest tooling that's coming out. We really feel like this strengthens our partnership with them and our partnership with our end users out in the field.